editing app, which is Capcut. Then come up here to click on new project. Then select the video that you wanted to edit. Click on add it to your editing board. You can remove the unwanted part, split, and delete out the unwanted part. Split and delete the other unwanted parts. Then delete the watermark at the end of the video. So let's say this is the video that I wanted to edit. So what we have to do is to duplicate it. Simply highlight the video and locate duplicate. Duplicate it. Now we have to save video. So this first one that is already on our board, we are going to highlight it. Then click on effect. Click on video effect to locate the blur option. You can enter by search blur. So you'll be able to see different blur options. You can see there are different blur options. Can you see that? So double tap on it to adjust depending on how you want your blur to look. Double tap, then adjust the blur option. For me, I normally use around 30 to 40. This is 40, but if you want to use 100, it means everything will be cleared, which is not advisable. I think I'll be using 28 to 30. Let me use 30. Okay, so this is 30, and then mark it. So this is the second video that is not blurred. Simply highlight it and make it overlay to the first one. Make it an overlay. Just keep scrolling till you will see this overlay option. Click on overlay and drag it to the end of the video. Can you see that? It is now matched. Okay, so this one that we added as overlay, we are going to highlight it again and locate remove BG. This is remove BG, and click on auto remover. Then mark it. Wait for it to load till the video finish removing. Can you now see it has been removed? Can you see that the background is blur, and as you can see, if you don't like the results, you can proceed to the first video that serves as our background to adjust the blur. You can make it more blurry, or you adjust it and reduce the level. But this is the simplest way to blur any kind of video.